this is what I got when I planted some wild bird seed. And I did put some herb seed in there. I don't remember what kind of herbs. I have these shallow green thing growing down here. Then these tall flowers. They recently just started flowering. So not sunflowers. I don't think maybe they're related to the daisy. They're all yellow. They look like something like a daisy or a sunflower. I don't know if Jewel likes them, but I'll take a couple and put them in their dinner and see what happens. It takes a while for a bird to get used to new things. Yeah, maybe I'll pluck this one. We'll see if Jewel will eat it tonight. That's a good bird time to get used to new things. That's for sure. Birds don't like new things right away. Unless you have a big bird. Usually smaller birds, I think are more picky. More afraid. Is that all we want to say, Jewel? Want to look at your herb?